My name is Zeus or Daz. I wanted to hop on this video and explain the different packages, and maybe it'll help you understand which solution is best for you.
I've been giving you the rest of me. Now you wanna stay the night. Pity how you work hard for me, but forgetting how to talk. Nah, I don't like no hug.
Our first package is our 1-month treatment. This is perfect if you have facial hair already and you just have a small spot, or you have patchy areas or thinning going on in your hair on the scalp. In order to reduce hair loss, you apply it to the affected area, whether it's on the face or on the scalp, and this will help prevent further hair loss from occurring. The second package is a 3-month treatment. Our 3-month package is perfect for a slightly bigger of an area that is affected. If you have a bit more of a severe problem or issue with hair loss, definitely our 3-month solution would work best. And our last but not least is our 6-month treatment. Our 6-month treatment is highly recommended to individuals who have 0 facial hair. So if you literally do not have a connecting beard, if you have if you grow 0 hair on your cheeks, or you have a pretty big balding spot, our product is clinically proven to help increase hair growth and reduce hair loss. So for individuals who want a connecting beard or just any facial hair at all, our 6-month treatment is perfect because you have to use it continuously. It helps increase the blood flow to the hair follicles and it promotes hair growth. It's kind of like a steroid, but for hair growth. So does our product work on facial hair and on the scalp? The answer is yes. Yes, it does work for facial hair growth and for hair on the scalp growth. Do you have an offer or a guarantee? The answer is yes. Yes, we do have an offer, and our guarantee is that if you use this every single day and you do not get noticeable, visible results within 30 days, we will give you 100% money back, full refund, no questions asked. Why should I listen to you? Well, I've personally been cutting hair for about 13 years, going on to 14 years. I started cutting hair in the 7th grade. Little by little, throughout my journey, I realized that a lot of people, including myself, struggled with facial hair growth. It was the #1 insecurity in all of my clients. So one thing that led me to, one thing led to another, and I started experimenting with different hair growth products, Googling solutions, and I stumbled upon hair transplants, all types of woohoo type stuff, until I stumbled on something that actually worked. This solution I ended up developing and turning it into Chrome Hair Growth Solutions. It works on men and women. Our product is in 20 different states at the moment. I started in a 2-chair barbershop and it has significantly grown from its humble beginnings. Anyways, pick the package that suits you best, and with all of our products, all of our packages, it's if you do not get results within 30 days, you will get a full refund. Simply contact our support and we'll catch you guys, and definitely send in your before and after pictures. We've been posting them on our Instagram, so if you want your journey to be posted, definitely DM us your pictures. We are more than excited to see these results. We get people sending results every single day. Thank you for following. Follow us on Instagram and all socials. There's definitely more videos on our YouTube. If you want to know more about our products and how we got started, how it works, how to use it, give us a like, give us a follow, subscribe. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Zeus.
when you shit, chat shit. I like it when you're looking